Hey, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here at our house in the woods. Check this out. Two large lifts of something, and that something has come from Nakomoto Forestry. If you haven't figured it out, you got it. I peeled it away, but that's all our Shou Sugi Ban cladding that is getting set to go up on the wall. Still love those beautiful windows. Crimson red looks gorgeous. So you see here we have that. That's actually not a window. For those of you that wonder what that is our attic access. I've done previous passive houses here, and because we're doing roughly R87-ish in the roof assembly, rather than have an attic hatch inside, I put it outside in the unconditioned space above the insulation level, and we have a little platform in there, and that's our attic access. The fire department allows us to do it down here. We've done it a number of times, and we'll just clad over it on a flush door, and it'll look beautiful when we're done. Anyways, Steve Basic Architect out here at our house in the woods.